Hello everyone, and welcome back to SteamCode. In this video we're going to be learning how to create our first Go file. So first you're going to need to be able to download Go to actually use it on your machine. So you just go to golang.org, then here click on download Go, and download according to whatever machine you have, and then you can actually start using this on the command line. So once we get to the command line, in Go there's all of your programs exist in one place, and that place is called the Workspace. So there's a natural place for your workspace to go, and the default one is in this Go folder within your home directory. You can find out where that is by just typing go and go path. And as you can see here, that path is this directory. I've already created it, so once you're inside of here, you can actually start creating your code. So before you create your code, you're going to need another folder that's called source. You can create that. I already did, so I'm just going to navigate to source. And within source, you're going to need your different project folders. I already created a project folder. This is called tutorial, so we're going to navigate to that as well. And then within your project folder, you can actually create your file. I have my file here, hello.go, so now let's actually start using the programming language. Okay, so the first line of your Go file always needs to define your package. If you want to be able to run this code, your package will have to start with main. And then we can define other packages that we want to use. So we can say import, and then the only package we're going to use for this one is called FMT. This package allows us to do input and output for our program. So now let's actually say hello world. So you're going to need a function. We'll use the func keyword, func main. And then within here we can say fmt dot println hello world. And then once you save this, we can run it on the command prompt. So within the command prompt, there are multiple ways you can run a Go file. The first one is you can just say go run, then the name of the file, so hello.go. It looks like there's a problem here. Let's save it. Let's try that again. Okay, now it works. As you can see, it prints out hello world on the terminal. There's another way if you want to build this file as an executable, so .exe file, then you can say go build hello.go. And as you can see, nothing prints out on the terminal, but if you show your directory, as you can see, another file has been created, hello.exe. So now if we run this hello.exe, then as you can see, it prints out the same result as the previous file. Now the next way you can do it is saying go install. So go install hello.go. And as you can see, this go install did not produce anything within this directory, but it did create another directory. So if we go back to our workspace, as you can see, a new directory called bin has been created. This is automatic when you use the go install command. So if we navigate to bin, then as you can see, this hello.exe file has been created. And then you can run this same as the other one, so hello.exe, and it produces the same result. Alright, so that's it for this video, as this is just a very basic overview of how to get started using Go. In future tutorials we'll go over some more complex concepts, but I hope you enjoyed. This has been SteamCode. Check out our GitHub, check out our Patreon, and I will see you next time.